All right, we have a nice life hack for today. Um, I bought these shoes and they were fairly cheap and yeah, Chinese shoes. No brand, of course, but they are really comfortable and they have a nice grip. And why I bought them, I want to use them for cycling, especially for bikepacking because they are quite flexible. Not like your racing carbon sole hyper shoes. No, these are comfy and you can wear them for a few days and even get off the bike and walk with them. So you don't need to worry about your cleatless shoes making a little tick tick when you're walking. The only issue with these is because they were so cheap, they are tight. Watertight, airtight, and so they are not breathing at all. And those surfaces here, which pretend to be breathable, let me tell you, they are not. This is just another fabric, and this is completely tight. And if you look inside, it's yeah, no air, light shining through. So, and this is just, yeah, a sweaty little shoe. So it would be nice for winter maybe, but I want to do some trips in summer and I want to show you something, how to get this breathable. I recommend to only do this for like your, yeah, cheap Chinese shoes for, I don't know, 30-40 buck shoes. And because it's a little bit risky, I have to say, full disclaimer, but let me show you. So we take our shoe, and these are fairly cheap synthetic materials. So if you want some rubber, plastic, whatever, cheap as shit. And this is molded. This comes out of a machine. This used to be little pellets and they turned into some surface, and we can reverse this, and all we need is this little guy. And I'm going to show you how I'm doing this. So I probably do the inside first. So from the outside they still look really cool, and from the inside they feel very cool with maybe some better ventilation in here. So let's do this. So you heat up your little soldering gun or pen, and then I gotta show you. I'm trying this one-handed now, so it's not so easy, but have a look. We just make some holes in there. And you can be all creative and decide on the size a little bit of what kind of holes you want. I go for a little bit bigger ones. And I have those I have those triangles, and I think it's quite nice if I just use them for my pattern here. So just one in the corner, each side, and one in the middle. So remember to clean your tip, because it's you are gonna get some buildup and nobody wants to breathe that stuff. So how did we change this really cheap shoe? Of course, you gotta be a little bit careful, into a much more, you can see if we can see the sun through the holes. Yeah, you can see. Nice and through. And now these guys are a little bit more breathable. So we turned something maybe not so functional for us into something more useful. And now we can go for some trips and enjoy a nice temperature on our feet. just wanted to share this with you guys. How cool is this? Have fun.